Hello and welcome again. So it's the US session, the 3rd of December. My name is Jeff. I'm the founder of DC Trades platform. We are going to trade today, as always, naked chart, technical analysis, just let's say the basics, and discipline, and that's it. I'm a little bit early today, so we can have a look at there's any news. There was a release of the ADP non-farm. It was really ugly compared to the last month and compared to the forecast as well. But the market did not move exactly at 9:30. But we can just see the crash happened a few minutes ago. Yeah, it happens by 10, not by normally the release time. So the price is back again to this choppy range, but we are going actually to start trading after the market opens, so we can see. Right now we might see some manipulation. We'll just monitor the price. How does it move? How does it behave? And let's see. Wish us good luck. So we are down from the European session, from London. We have lost like $50. I already explained what was wrong and what we have done wrong, but it doesn't hurt. We are still okay, and we are still here for the long run. We are still in the marathon. I don't know if I already have some viewers right now. I don't know where to see. Yeah, I have two. Most welcome. And please do not copy my trades. It's I'm not a like financial advisor. I'm trading my own account with my personal risk management. Most welcome to watch and understand how I trade. You might learn something, but please don't copy me like exactly, you know. Maybe your size of account is different than mine. Maybe your risk tolerance is different. Maybe your strategy is different. So most welcome to watch, but please do not just take exactly what I do. I might be wrong as well. And there is some days that we make money, some days that we lose money. That's the market. I don't have 90% like win rate, so bear with me. Hey, Groby, nice to see you here always, bro. Thank you for joining always. I hope the music doesn't affect like how clear is my voice. I try to reduce it like as much as I can just to keep the ambience. Is it all right? Okay, let's talk about what was wrong in the European session in London. Let's go back to our trades here. So let me explain to you why I entered the trades and why I was punched in the nose. So at the opening there was like big candles, and I thought maybe this is a real breakout to the upside, and I thought we are going to visit again the high of Monday. The price reverses here again and start like stuck, and this is some weakness candle here with the huge tail here and the closed red. So I get out after the closing of this. I waited again and I see some, let's say, hope that the price went back again. I thought, okay, this is it. I think the price will just chop here and continue. But let's say the price keeps going back to the same, like under the opening or the overnight range. Then try to go back. Then again, like here, we try to trade in the 5-minute chart. So I went out in this week because I thought after these 2 weeks here, the price is not going really to do another low. But immediately it went down, take me out and rally again. So when I see that the price is already here, and I think there was like 1 minute left for the close in, so I thought it's positive. Then I went long again. I thought, okay, so this one failed to break down, means we are going up. Then again, the next candle was ugly candle with no tail. It opens and immediately break down, immediately collapse. So I just stopped trading here. Then as you can see, it keeps chopping for the next 30 minutes, go back to the range and just back to the overnight range. And I think this movement here is just after the release news. So we stayed at the same level since the opening of London until now. So there is no really interesting things to trade. It's fine. This small position was not like bad, did not hurt the account, and we are moving forward, and we will have a look at the US session. Hopefully we can make some money, and hopefully we will lose a little money only, so we will not lose much. Okay, we have 6 minutes for the real open, for the bell. Trend. Then that time we can start to see how the market is reacting. Right now I think the pre-market is not really, you cannot judge the movement in the pre-market. There is not much players on the game, so the price can move up and down easily. But the reality comes after the bell. Music is fine. Thank you so much. Thank you. We drink some water. I'm getting ready. Relax a little bit. Let's increase a little bit the volume of music. I like this song while waiting for the opening. I hope you like my type of music. I just like some beats, calm. There is no lyrics, just music. Actually, regarding the news, I was checking what's going on with the week off, what he's doing in Russia, trying to talk peace. But I think still they don't have something certain. The European Union still don't want to have any peace deals. US with Venezuela, they are still arguing. So I think the Fed, after this data, might think to, actually they already decide that they will start the QE. They will start pouring again liquidity into the market. So if they already confirmed, I think by next week there will be the announcement of the interest rates. So we might see another rally or maybe we can see an opportunity for big players to dump their their holdings, because you really don't know what will be the result of in a short time, result of interest rate cuts. It might play in the long term, but in the short term, people are like, end of the year, they are trying to unload their assets. I feel like there is a little bit of echo right now. I think it's a little bit less. It's okay. So I don't really I don't like to trade the news. I don't trade the news, and I don't really consider it as a bias to buy or sell. Sometimes the news is so good and the market just crashed, and sometimes there is ugly news and the market rallies for hundreds of points. So there is no point. But just to know, it's good to have an eye on what's going on in the international economy, geopolitics. Okay, 1 minute to go. Let's get ready. Okay, now the real movement will start. Okay, the market is open. We are ready. I think the first trade I will have it reduced to not full contract, but maybe less than one contract, 3/4 of a contract. This one to the middle. Let's go to our time frame, our favorite one, 5 minutes. I don't know if you really can see the prices. The screen is a little bit so big, so I think I will just get a little bit closer. Okay, so this is the first 5-minute candle. 2 minutes and a half, and as I can see, the movement is just chopping in small range. I think 10 points up and down. So the bulls are trying to take the price back high. Some maybe sellers are trying to load all the way to this level, because not all the orders was filled, I think, with this sharp move. Price might revisit here again and maybe get some more selling pressure. But I'm not going to decide yet what I'm going to do, if I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell. What's the high time frame to see what's really exactly happening. See here, there is I think some huge players in this level. I'll try to make it like zone here. You can see the size of the candles and the movement in between. It's huge. Back to 5 minutes. I think 1 more minute to go for the first closing, the 5 minute. What I noticed in this area here, as you can see, whenever the price tries to go high, it's immediately like getting hammered down, and again here, and again here, all the way. So I think we will try just to maybe sell somewhere here, maybe again take profit somewhere here down, and maybe we go buy again. Except if we see some really huge rally, no resistance, and the price will just like aggressively go high. But I think let's bet on the market that it's ranging same in this level. It happened yesterday, but just we need to have very good entry, not in the middle. Maybe we can enter in some levels here, or else if the price goes down, we will enter a long somewhere here, so we can minimize our risk. 60 points. Okay, let's go for half contract, and we will trade maybe 2 or 3 trades. Okay, the first 5 minutes is done. Let me remove, I really don't need, what is this? This indicator. Which will hopefully it will go back here, so we can maybe find really some signal to sell. I prefer to enter maybe somewhere here in these heights, because here for sure there will be some sellers sitting there, because price really did not manage to go higher than this since yesterday. So maybe let me draw a line here, like connecting these highs. Okay, and maybe give it how much for stop loss? 30 points, that's fair enough. Why I prefer Dow? Actually, the Dow Jones is not like a currency, you know. For the currency, sometimes the central banks are manipulating it. If they saw that there is, for example, less demand for the euro, they will just push it back to the, you know, the normal rate. So it will be almost like equivalent to the normal price of euro dollar. Gold is all, like the majority of the gold traded is just paper, is just contract. There is no real there is no real gold getting, you know, traded. If you check, maybe the volume of trades is maybe 90% only contract, only paper. There is no real gold. Bitcoin, they have like their whales, they are manipulating the price as they wish. Dow Jones is a little bit too big to manipulate. You might manipulate like when there is very low volume, but it's not just one single asset. As you know, the Dow Jones is like 30 biggest companies in the industries in the US, so you need to manipulate all the 30s, like 30 companies to manipulate the price of the Dow Jones. That's why it's much better to trade it. It's less risky than other assets. That's why I prefer actually the Dow Jones. Nasdaq, I think the spread I have here is not really good for my style of trading. It doesn't move that much like Dow Jones. Nasdaq also it's okay, you can trade it, but I really just prefer the Dow Jones because it has some really good moves, and when it's trending, like, yeah, it's really moving very well. It will make you a lot of money. Okay, we are approaching, I think, our point of buy-in. Hopefully we'll get some. Okay, I can see a little bit of rejection. Maybe I will wait for another retest somewhere here. Someone like last breath before it went underwater. We have how many? Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go. We can get some really good entry. 21 points, 50 points. We are still far from our risk target. Okay, last push. Can I have my entry, please? Some better price, please. Okay, I'm in here. I open a short, just half contract, and hopefully it will quickly pull back. Maybe it will take like 40 points for now, or a 90 point, because I'm going only half contract. Hopefully there will be a rejection from here. Oh, not here. Something wrong with my mouse or what? I think if the price visit here. Okay, first 1 minute was looking good. Hopefully there will be some push. I really want to see now chop here. I don't want the price to go back here and close here. I will try to have less like risk, because we are already sitting on a loss from today from the London. So that's why I reduced my size, and let's see. Hopefully there is no trend today as well. And the news was actually very ugly for the economy. But at the same time, when the news is ugly, the Fed is more, into quantitative easing that push inject the liquidity in the market, then the asset prices goes high. So always like bad news, it has two sides. It might reflect in positive way to the chart, and it might like go south. Make it a little bit closer to the 2 minutes, but the price still just struggling to get back here. It's really holding this level, which is not a good signal. So What's going on? What's wrong? Oh, my laptop just got crazy. Okay, price right back again, our entry. Okay, let's go to the smaller view. Actually, I can see here some like higher highs in the smaller time frame, so I really need to see some closing under here, or else I will just quickly jump out of the trade, even it might seem a little bit like so early, but the market is showing strength. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. And also I'm not giving it much space in here. Yeah, it's trying to push higher. Actually, this kind of trades, I really need to give it like a huge space. Okay, it's the last 10 seconds of the 5-minute. I will see if there is a small spike here at the closing, means I'm out. There was no, so hopefully it will reverse right now. Actually, the sellers are losing control in this level. Actually, this level was very important previously. It was like so fast, the trend was turned upside down. So let's give it maybe 5 more minutes. Yeah, actually this is what I want to see, some really big push. But this kind of pushes is not really healthy. Don't like to see like push without resistance. It means it's just maybe someone getting out of some huge positions. Then the price will go back again to balance the orders. So I will take profit here. Okay, the first winner. Let's wait a little bit. Actually, the price should not jump from here to here within like few seconds, or else sometimes the price will just spike and go back here, because the balance normally was here. Here when we see this small like push between the buyers and the sellers. So when we see the push here happens for so long, so if you see after that some like crazy move, means price might revisit that spot, maybe. But at least we already load some. Actually, if we let it, we will get to our take profit. Oh, did something wrong. Give me a second, I'm trying to fix my big screen. think that bear with me, guys, please. Okay, we're back. Luckily, I'm out of the trading, so are we going now? Are we okay? I think everything now is running smooth. We move this one back to the small screen. Okay, I think we are okay now. Let's go back to the market. And price trying to push back again. Let's see what's going on in the 1 minute chart. Choppy market. See, is there any news? Yeah, we have 10 minutes for some news. Just refresh page. Steel production positive. PMI. This one also is a little bit moving the market. 10 minutes. Actually, we left some cash in the table, but it's okay. Actually, that was my plan from the beginning, just to hit and run. Actually, I have an advice for you guys. If you are trading, it's very important that your entry will never be in the middle of anything. Always try your entries at the edges, always, because when you have the entry at the edges, you always have less risk. If you enter here, let's say if you want to put your stop loss, like a good stop loss should be like away, maybe 140 points. That's so much. But normally when you enter at the edges, either if you want to have like the breakouts, always your stop loss will be less, and you always aim for more than what you risk. So but before, I used to actually enter whenever I see some like big candle. I will say, oh, this is it, so the price will never come back here. Then I will just jump in and I will just be punched in the face. So that's why I'm trying to always enter either continuation of a trend or at the edges. And it's depend on your bias. If you are going to buy the breakout, always wait for the breakout to be confirmed. If you are going to like sell reversal like here, wait really for some like significant level. Don't just jump anywhere. So here, as we can see, the price is at exactly the middle of this first huge candle of the opening and the news as well. Our entry here was really good, just I was not patient enough because I see this move was a little bit so sharp, so I thought it might just go back, but at the end it was really a real move. I really find it hard to monitor how many people on the live. I think there are two. Most welcome. I'm still actually practicing, you know. I'm practicing how to be live, talk at the same time with people, and trade at the same time, and think of my trading, and tell you my thinking of my trading. So just bear with me. And as I always say, like, I'm not trying to be influencer. I'm just here to maybe to educate some people who really want to learn something from me. They might find some value. And I'm doing my thing. Actually, I'm trading anyway. Okay, again I have the same problem with the screen. Why it's going dark? Later on, after this live, I will have a look on my wires and my installations here, and too much wires, so I don't know where is the problem exactly coming from. Okay, let's go a little bit back just to look to this area here. Normally we don't see any reversals from these levels. Goes up here and down again, up here and down. There we entered, back again and entered, then okay. Let's break down this 5 minutes to see what's going on exactly in the 1 minute chart. Down consolidation, like they call it dump and pump, and now again we might see like dump and another pump. You can see some like acceleration going somewhere here. We can go long if really the acceleration did not stop in the middle here. Let's just see monitor the price. How does it move? Watch the fight. Look at this volume. Tick per minute, which is good. 7 seconds. Here, the price was going down. There was good volume. Another attempt to go higher, but I think it might give us a chance for another entry. We're almost 30 minutes. 2 minutes to close the first hour. It's after 30 minutes of the opening. We can look at the price if we can see some buyers coming at this hour, or if there is sellers coming in. Okay, 1 more minute. Few more seconds for the closing. Let's see how 1 hour look like. It's pin. Okay, some buyers came in immediately after closing the first hour. We see some really big closing here. Some really price will stick here. I will bet on breakout. Actually, I feel like going long right now. Here we go all the way. Wait here in case stop loss. Just make it somewhere here temporarily. And actually, if there is a real breakout from these levels, the price will really go slingshot, really, because the pressure was building here. There will be a lot of exits. So if we manage to close somewhere here with some really good volume and the breakout was real, I'm thinking I will just keep adding all the way up. Skip this and go for like a bigger time frame. Okay, we are in profit already. Please keep going. Don't be hammered again. I'm tired of these choppy days. We need to see some trend so we can capitalize on it. Five minutes. We are maybe 3 minutes. Okay, I think I'm going to say here. Free risk trade. You keep faking the breakouts for the last 2 days. Please do something. Do something. Oh, I still have some people watching. Thank you for sticking around with this boring live. But it's okay. You might learn something that you will not find in this, goros with 3-4 cameras, and they have their own DJ, and so just stick with me. I don't know if you wrote some message. I found one. Actually, bro, I don't trade gold. It used to hurt me badly, so I just hate to trade gold. So I was a newbie, and sometimes gold will give me some profit for 2-3 days and remove my pants at the third or fourth trade. So I just stopped trading gold. There is some mind tricks with trading. For example, sometimes you said, oh, I wish I was a little bit more patient, and I let the position run. And sometimes you will say, oh, if I only close the position and I took some profit. And it's depend. Sometimes it works when you be patient and you wait for like the price to get into your target. Sometimes you really regret. So as I'm telling you, there is no formula for making money except conserving your capital. That's the only thing you can do, is just to keep your capital to trade, and one day you lose maybe 50, the next day you make 100, and the next day you lose 50, and so in the long run you will find yourself profitable. But like the holy grail for strategy or some formula that works 100%, there is none. Like right now my brain is telling me like, okay, it's like a huge level, just get out. Maybe the price will not be able to break because it was rejected from there, and my other brain is telling me like, oh, just let it ride, because if it breaks from here it will go directly to your take profit. So I'm not sure to listen to whom, but what I'm sure of is if the price did not go, like if the price goes back, I will just go out with zero, so I'm not going to lose anything, which is okay, which is positive. So let it be. SM positive. That's the problem. Sometimes positive news, the market collapse. Sometimes negative news, market rallies. So you see what I'm saying? Like this level, it's really important level. If it's broken, look how was the pullback from this level last time, and this one here, like price after the news spikes up and all the way down. So now the buyers, I think, are trying to push price. Hopefully I will get some really good close here. I might add another half contract. I will just watch and see. No, it's 77, 8 minutes, 2 minutes to close the 5 minute. Price is just sitting here. And I think this is the high of yesterday. Let's go to the daily. Move story. It's very important level. Yesterday was positive. We are sitting on really exactly at the high of yesterday. So if we see a breakout from the high of yesterday, maybe we can revisit the high of Monday. I wish, actually my take profit is halfway, not exactly at the highs of yesterday. Actually the price stick here for so long. I don't want it to pull back, take me out and rally up. So I'm thinking maybe to take profits. I will not do the same mistakes I have done. I'm always keeping my trades, but because of there is no direction, the market keeps stopping me out for nothing. We have a few seconds for the closing of the 10 minutes, then let's see. If some sellers are trying to come in, and I think we are going to give back again our profit to the market, but it's okay. At least we have zero risk trade. That's why it's really hard to trade December. It's really crazy. And for me, I was out of the market for like 2 months and just came back at the wrong time. But I really don't care if I'm just monitoring my risk properly and let the market do whatever. I can see some volume coming in. I'm not sure if it's a rejection from here or maybe people are interested into buying. Yeah, I think some sellers coming in. And actually these bad news are confirming that the Fed is going to cut the rates because the economy is getting really hurt badly, and always cutting rates is a flood of money to the market, and it's often take the price of the assets high. So I'm not sure if the people are pricing in, are loading, or people are really scared that the economy is not doing well and trying to sell and unload their assets and whatever. I think we are out with okay, a few cents, no worries. Please just monitor and see what's going on. Actually here we can notice that this candle had really like higher than the previous two, the volume. Actually that was a signal that there is really interest in this level, but maybe the amount of sellers was really huge and like the buyers can't really absorb all the orders, then price now just going back to the range. Okay, let's wait and see how long we have been live right now. Can I see that? 55 minutes already. Hey, Sergey. And you, do you trade gold? Actually, people like gold because it has a lot of fun, you know, it has a lot of entertainment and, you know, adrenaline. You feel really high while trading gold, but it's very dangerous, very difficult to trade. Okay, there is some interesting price movement in here. Look at the 15 minute. We have like few seconds to go. Let's see if this one will just be a pin and again back to the range. I'm not sure if these guys here who were selling yesterday and before yesterday are already done with selling, or they still want to sell more. I think it's enough of selling. So, and the price actually is doing something, which is like even with this push, did not manage to go to these lows here. So there is a little bit of buyers are winning a little bit, not like big wins, but small wins. I'll just go for one contract and wait for one small signal. To go long, because I know if the price really break from here, it will be slingshot. I will not even put my take profit. I will just let it run until it gets tired. So I'm going to really look at right now if there is some volume here, trying to push the price like lower. If there is low volume, price did not manage to go lower, then I will go long again, and my stop will be just here. How many points? Will be just like 30 points. But I need to see what this 5 minute is doing actually. Let me have a look at the, there is no new comment. Okay, let's be more patient. Actually, I'm going to buy here and give it a little bit of time, because before, whenever the price reached this level, it's immediately crashing back, but this time it's sticking so long here. It went up and it went back again and went, so I think this is my trade. Give me one more chance to enter. I'm in. I hit the button. And as we said, oh, what's happened with this monitor? Stop loss will be, oh, not here. We said here. And I said my take profit will just be somewhere up. And actually, the breakout from this level will be very aggressive. in case it happens. Let me remove this line here and just monitor. Please, December, be good. We just came back to the market. I'm still innocent, you know. We just want to make a living. Where is the music? I think we finished already 1 hour. Let's play. What are you doing here? Hopefully it will start music now. Actually, many people will say like you should not expect the breakout before it happens. Actually, some people, like most of the technical analysis traders, they are saying like wait for the breakout and pull back, then like price will go your direction. But it's the same. Price will never like go back exactly from some price. If breakout and go down, it might just reverse back again. So if you enter at the first or at the second, it doesn't matter. Your stop loss should be, where is it, like right now. So let's see. Up. Head and shoulders pattern, as they say. Look at the daily. Yeah, the daily after this rally is really for buy. I don't think someone will come and sell this. At least they can sell in this level, not here. Whatever. I'm just guessing. Hopefully we can see some interest in this level for buyers. Or else I think this will be my last trade. I feel a little bit tired. So if we get it right, we are good. If not, we will just end the session. And if it went our direction, there is many things to do actually. If it closes a little bit with some strength in here, we can manage it very well. I think this live might take a little bit longer, but I might just end the live and manage it all the way up offline. But hopefully the action here will be fast and quick, so we can stay together and trade it. What time is it now? We need always to monitor the time. It's 17:23, means like 1.5 hours into trading. Are you still with me, guys? How long you have been trading? Bro, I'm maybe since 2016, something like that. Yeah, 16, 17. But I just become profitable for the last maybe 1.5 year or something like that. The first few years, it's only learning, blowing accounts, trying to find the strategy to trade, and you keep looking for the holy grail in the wrong place. But really, nobody will tell you exactly where to find, except if you met, just you got lucky and you meet some professional trader who will guide you. Actually, trading is like a business, really. It might be built with discipline. So if you have a group of friends, let's say 2 or 3 friends, you might have, let's say, like a company. One will trade, 2 will monitor, and will be like risk managers. If they see that their trader is doing some bullshit things, then they can just get him out of trading, or like they might work in like a team to find ways to trade the right way. So it's depend. For me, I just find it the hard way. I lost a lot of money before I start making money. Because I believe me, I don't trust these gurus, these guys. I will make 5,000 a day and stuff, because I know they are only making money out of selling, courses. And the last 3 years, like, I just focus on trading psychology, and I find out that that's what matters. It's trading psychology to make money on trading. Any technicals, anything can work if your mindset is really prepared for trading. So let's see. Okay, we are in a good state. Let me have a look on the higher time frame. This look beautiful. Maybe we'll give it some more time. Let me just reduce the risk again. And I really don't want the same scenario to happen again. It will be disappointing. Normally these levels, you can quickly know if it's real, like breakout or a fake out. Because here, if you can see, this level failed to break for like many days. Price keeps on like chopping here, and the same time there is many stop losses in this level, like stops from this trading days. So when it breaks, normally it's like slingshot, because all the sellers here are trying to cover their shorts, means they are buying back, means the price will just spike high. But when it's fake, it's different. It's just pinching through, then you will find like quick rejection and price immediately slide back. So this one looks so good, and I'm thinking I will just actually I missed to add a little bit to the position, but I don't want it to turn sour. So I think I will just have a look. I think I'm grabbing 60. Then I think we are done for the day. We are good. Okay, let's break down the day. Let me see, and maybe we can chit chat. Interesting idea, by the way, with trading with friends, doing risk manager job. Yeah, bro. Actually, because trading is if you want to make money out of trading, you need to deal with it like a job. If for me, what I will tell you the story of how these things happen to me. So I keep on trading, blowing account, like, FTMO, and maybe I spend like maybe $5,000 or more just buying challenges and blowing them up. Then I just get pissed and I said, no, I need to stop this. So I'm I'm not saying I'm smart, but if I want to do something, I will find ways to do it. So I learned how to code in MQL5 because I'm trading in MP5. Then I created like EA with some conditions. If I trade more than 5 trades a day, take me out of trading. I will not be able to open new trades. If I try to open, the trade will be cancelled. So this is the first like rule. The second rule, if I lose more than X amount in dollar, I will not be able to trade that day until the next day. The third rule, if I get like 3 or 4 consecutive losses, like one loss after another, because I know my pattern. Once I start losing, I will not stop until I blow up the account. So I make a rule, if I got like 3 consecutive losses, the EA, the robot or the bot or somebody who like everyone call it something, will take me out of trading. And I also have like risk per trade. I want to risk, let's say, it depends on my capital. If I'm trading like 10,000, I want not to lose more than, let's say, $100 per trade. So I put all these rules in an EA, it's expert advisor. I made it with MQL, like coding in Meta Editor. Then I bought like a VPS. I install my MP5 in there. I connect my laptop, my broker account. Then I ask my girlfriend, please, can you change the password and don't give it to me, so I will not have access to deactivate the EA. Then okay, so I don't have access to deactivate it, and I need to follow the rules myself. I put into that EA. So when I open my account, or like trading account in my laptop, when I open my trading account in my laptop, I am trading. In my laptop there is no EA, but my second account open in the VPS, it's blocking me from doing the bullshit that used to blow my accounts. Then the results was really interesting. Like for the first 2-3 months, I start to see the results start to get better. So that was my story, how to become profitable trader. But before that, I was a mess, man. Like I keep on fighting with the market like someone, and the market is something. It's not someone who knows you, or it's just data. It's just crowd psychology. Maybe hundreds of thousands, or let's say, traders are betting prices going up or down, and prices following the orders. The market don't know you, it's just there, and you need to dance with it, as Tom Hogarth said in the book of The Best Loser Wins. Okay, so our exit, I think, was okay. Exit at least in this top here. I don't want to risk price going back again. We are up in this account of $5,065. 3 trading days. So today we are up another $34. The afternoon session was ugly. I really did not like this German behavior. The DAX was just chop and chop. But actually we tried to recover here. 2 or 3 trades was enough. So what we do now, we just we trade more. No, it's enough. Should not be greedy. I'm as I told you, a little bit tired. I'm not in my full physical conditions, and yeah, price is going so high. Let's jump in. I'm just joking. So let's keep our money so we can trade tomorrow. Price tomorrow will also keep moving. It will not stop. Thank you so much, guy. Thank you very much for joining me in this journey. I really appreciate your time and everything you do. So I really like to talk to you more. Please ask me. I will stay maybe 2 more minutes if you have any questions. Thank you. Okay, then we'll see you tomorrow. I think there is no more questions. And if you have something, please feel free to message me in contact at dctrades.com, or I'm not using actually social media much, like maybe Messenger or something. I'm not very active, but just send me email or keep a comment, or and soon I will have some kind of communication tool. Maybe we can use Telegram or something, so we can discuss real time. Thank you very much for being here, Groby. I really appreciate, bro, coming here and watching every day. So we'll see you tomorrow again, small family. Take care and good